What's up, guys? Welcome to Three Birds Garage. Now, this channel is mostly about small engines, chainsaws, weed eaters, mowers, stuff like that. But today we're switching gears. I have a bicycle for my son, and it's a Guardian bike. These are really cool bikes. She's had one, my other son's had one. They love them. So we're gonna do an unboxing, and we're gonna put it together, show you how easy it is.